Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use PayPal in 2025 to send money, receive payments, shop online, and more. Whether you are new to PayPal or need a refresher, let's get into it. First of all, head over to paypal.com and click sign up button. Choose personal if you are shopping or sending money. Choose business if you are selling online, invoicing clients. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in your information. After signing up, verify your email address and link a bank account or card. Then log into your account using your credentials. To send or receive money, you need to connect a payment method. Go to Pay and Get Paid option, then Send Payments or Make Payments option. Click on it, then go to Wallet, then Banks and Cards section. From this page, add a link a bank account or link a card like debit card, credit card. Some banks may require verification with small deposits. This lets PayPal transfer money in and out of your account. Here's how to send and or request money. In your dashboard, click on Pay and Get Paid option, then click Send Payments. Now, type the email or phone number or username linked to the other person's PayPal. Choose Friends and Family for personal transfers, or choose Goods and Services for buyer protection. Fees apply. Then request money, then add amount and add note. Requested payments go straight to the other person's inbox. To receive money, just give your PayPal email address. You will get a notification when someone sends you funds. Money shows up in your PayPal balance and you can withdraw to your bank. Transfers to your bank usually take 1 to 3 days, or you can pay a small fee for instant transfer. You can also shop online with PayPal. It's safe and fast. Check out on an e-commerce site, then choose PayPal as a payment method, then log in and confirm. PayPal hides your card details and offers buyer protection, works on sites like eBay, Walmart, Etsy, and thousands more. You can even use PayPal for subscriptions and donations. And that's how to use PayPal in 2025. From sending money to online shopping. Give this video a like if it helped you. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And drop a comment if you want to see a video on PayPal business tools or invoicing next. So, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.